Oh no! Oh, back in the.
No, they're still going. They're still going.
Wow.
Go right to go left. There he goes. What happened? Crash?
Yes.
Kind of. Who
You
was
missed
it?
it. 2 cars.
Clint Boyer? Tupac?
No, no.
It wasn't me. Did you say Tupac?
What? No, 2 cars.
No, I thought you said Tupac.
No, he's still in Cuba.
Still in Cuba. Wait, I thought he died.
No.
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't.
He did.
There's no autopsy.
What if he just waited? What if there's wait, hold on.
He did. He's in Cuba. Evan, you got your right.
Conspiracy theory.
Me and I was going to see about the Warriors.
Murph, you missed it.
What you doing, Dumber? You smell the girl doggies?
No.
Tupac is alive and talking with
Cuba?
a conspiracy.
That's a new one. What's Cuba?
Cuba is actually, it's pronounced supposed to be pronounced.
No, supposedly they're saying that Suge knew who shot him.
So it was cool.
Oh, oh.
And you're carrying like 45 pounds. Or I was carrying like 45 pounds. So, and you're on, I mean, you have about like probably this much room on the side of a mountain for most of it. And so like you look down and you're like, well, I can fit. But it was good though. It was a fun.
Yes.
But yeah, it was a nice.
You're doing stuff that you would normally not do.
Alrighty.
She was towards the end of it, like in the last hour of our hike, she took a muscle.
Evan, look at him. He's going.
So then we're hiking uphill, and she's like,
Oh my.
she's got bruises, real bad. So she's like 39% curvature. So when she's carrying the way that it grew in.
Oh! Oh no! Oh, they're all wrecking. They're all wrecking.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are you doing on the? You recording now?
She could
Yes.
get surgery, but there's like a
What?
major chance that
What? Is that a problem?
if she gets the surgery, so it's like
Better not.
I think it's called like spinal fusion surgery or something. And so it's like, yeah, she knows. We actually know someone that had it done, and the girl ended up perfectly
Wow.
fine. But she's like, I can't risk that. You know?
Evan, they did what you wanted to do best.
Surgeon to do that type of surgery is risky.
Yeah. But she doesn't want to. She doesn't want to risk
But if they know that he's very put her in a case.
it didn't start coming in badly. Like it was like a slight
The one
curve.
that turtle shell braces.
It didn't come in until like she was like 11 or 12, and at that point, like it didn't show signs of it until she was like 11 or 12, and at that point, they were
Oh,
like, it's
man.
kind of like we can't really do anything about it, like if we, because it was almost like it just like shot out overnight, like it sort of like overnight, so she can't really, but you can see that if she bends over, you can actually see it curve like that. Yeah. She can't even go to massage because, yeah, masseuse, more like because the masseuse has to know like where her spine is. Because, it's not
Find somebody who specializes
But she said that she can't, like, if you like touch her in the back, like that, to her back, she could feel it, but it would just, I don't know, I mean, that much more. So she's, you figure she's carrying a 30-pound backpack. Yeah, so she was, after a while, she was pretty tired.
That just blocks everything.
The hotel had a
Ooh.
pool.
Whoa!
She can sit in that and relax, right?
Yeah.
Oh my
The hotel-
God.
Jets don't bother.
The hotel room actually had hotel rooms that had hot tubs in the hotel rooms, but we didn't get to that.
What was that like from the back?
But it was nice. It was a nice trip. We were talking about maybe
Justy, your container's on the back of the stove.
okay. We were talking about like Washington DC or something, but now I'm like thinking that's too much money. I don't feel maybe we'll just go to this trip. No, I know, but I've been there before. Yeah, I've been there. Yeah, the Air and Space Museum also. I've been there.
That's what I said. I'm like, it would take you probably a couple days to get through the entire
Now I'm
Murph,
thinking, like, maybe
Murph, you missed it again.
Because Mimi's got a place down there. We would have to pay for it.
Come here, Murph. You missed it.
Pay for that, you know, we just pay for gas going down and everything.
Look, Murph. Yup. That just blocked everything.
So, we'll see how we get.
Oh, poor Jones.
For 10 years, all that scar tissue would build up. So she gives herself shots, and she actually said that it gets maintained better with shots. So.
Oh, no, they didn't make it. Oh, they're gonna wait until
In
they.
terms of eating, like being careful what you eat.
That's stupid.
It's not terrible. Like there's certain like
Byron won.
foods, like one she just told me the other day it was French fries. You know, she loves French fries. She eats them still, but you know she just has to be careful. But she does this thing where it's called bolusing. So she'll figure out the carb amount of whatever
Byron
she's
wins.
eating and then take it. It's actually not hard. She doesn't even have to like look anything up anymore. She'll know, like she'll look at something, know what the ingredients are, and then know, okay, this is the carb amount. You know, she did it for so long that now she just looks at something, she knows. So then she'll bolus, and it's a long-acting insulin. So that'll take effect.
To finish, I'd like to see.
After she I know. She's got the school needs, she's got diabetes, she's got celiacs. She has, because of her spine, her ribs are twisted. And so one rib is more spinal opposed to the other. And there's nothing they can do about that. That's just gonna happen. I mean, it has no. They said that there's no danger to her.
It does not have ended.
She'll get pain in the chest.
Not at all.
Yeah, I think so. But she just had this thing. She had the flu last year on her summer trip. She got.
Oh, you're not from Florida, right?
Yeah. So she, because
Finish your race. What's up, Uncle Joe?
Yo, what's going on, Hunter?
Nothing. just finished watching a race that they started.
She does.
They started this race 21 hours ago, but they kept postponing it because of rain.
Is this the Daytona 500?
No,
Months ago. She kept getting dizzy all the time. And
just finished.
Is that
she was
tomorrow?
feeling really weird. And
No, that's in
she started to
February.
get disoriented and all that. She couldn't figure
Yeah.
out what's wrong.
They come back here 4th of July weekend.
Driving, she had to pull
Yeah.
over because she couldn't focus. It was something had happened like with her balance in her head because she'd been sick so many times. It was like this weird. She went to an ENT specialist. They had all these like monitors and sensors put on and everything to try and figure it out.
Vertigo, basically like the crystal stuff in the mirror. Get
That might have been what it was.
and I have it, but mine usually happens when the seasons change. So I have like certain exercises my ear, nose, and throat do to kind of put you back in balance.
Well, hers, they gave her medicine to take, and after a couple weeks, it was fine. So it went away. So it was but it's just like well,
Stupid way to end it.
She's like, what's that? I don't know.
Because of the
Well, oh. I would think so.
How does it take him that long to throw a caution?
Well, yeah,
with her, yeah.
but not like she would want and then she's like,
Not ever problem. I'm just saying, in the future.
There's all sorts of things. That's what
Nice. I'll take it.
I bring another one. And that kind of sounds wrong, but why try to do it?
Sick and tired.
And then what's going to happen at the interview points, just diabetes already.
And you said when some women get pregnant, a lot of times end up with a gestation which is, it's scary. Just gotta be careful. But I also like